my link for click on my link for the to order, to look at them, to order them from Amazon. Click on my link and order them. Then you get a sleep and play pajama size chart. This is the chart. I don't know much about sizes with babies, but yeah, 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 3 6 9. I guess this is the Amazon, and then this is the weights, and according to the weights, this is the chart. Okay, and then this is one. If they describe the reasons of why organic cotton is the best for babies on this picture right here. And then over here it says happy grown and made with every family's little bee in mind. Okay, friendly, responsibly made, super soft. Okay, this is the description of them, but this is the pajamas. Excuse me. These are the pajamas from the front and back. And again, these are the colors in the according to what you order. According to the pictures, whatever pictures they are is what you pay for. But they range from 1270, from 1139, 1270, 1139, I guess, to 1495. 1495. This is the avocado. This is I guess the snow. The snow look like snow and deers and animals. Oh, and bears. Bears. Oh yeah, bears in the snow or something like that. This is I can tell sheeps. These are sheeps. Oh, these are 1270. Oh, these are squirrels, I think. Squirrels. These are food, I guess. Oranges, bacon, sandwiches, eggs. Okay. These are the moon, I guess. Moon. Good. Okay. The word good. And this is the spiders and the sun, and I don't know, but you get many different colors, many different pictures. I guess you pay according to the pictures, and what you like. And this is the bundle of 2 for $28.95, and this is what you get. This is, oh, look at that! Look at the pictures, are beautiful. Oh, another thing of the description: snap tab with nickel-free snap, protective zipper guard, no snatch, convertible mittens, one size NB and 3M. Oh, okay. Non-slip B grips on all sizes. So $14.95. This one. This describes a lot of things on them. There's 67 more options, or 67 options, including those ones. But these are the size premier or premium, I guess. Newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 6 to 9 months, and then 9 months. And then let's look at the 67 options. So far this one is $12.70. We're on these prices, on this area right here, but there's $14.95 also. So if you like, okay, now let's, oh, and look at, there's more over here, $12.47. Click on my link. I'll leave my link. Click on my link and pick whichever one you like, and then you order it. Now look at over here, you get 3 for this price, for $36.50. If you like that order, also you could order, pick whichever one you like from here. And if you don't like these ones over here, you got more options over here. Just click on all of them and order them right here. Look at, just order whichever ones you think you like. Look at this one's $12. and they got little things, little things on their feet. Look at, and then you get if you like these ones more expensive, I guess much more better quality, you could also get them. You could look at 23, 29. Just click on my link and order whichever one you like. Anyone you like. So there's a lot more choices. The link is gonna be in my description. The link is in my description. Just click on it and order it. We're gonna look at the 67 options. All right, so there. Let me see. Oh yeah, maybe yeah. Here they are. 67 options, right there. 67 options right there. 67 options right there. There are 67 options right there. Just click on my description. Click on my description and order it. Okay. All right, 67 options. We get out of the 67 options again. We go back again and look at these. Okay, here they are. Again, they range from 1270, 1139 right here. You know, but 1270 is 495. They range from 1139 to 1495, but you could pick all the other options that are available. Click on my description. Click on the link on my description. I'll leave the link on my description and just order whichever one you like. Does not have to be only this one, or click on the on the 67 options, which are right here. Look at they're $10. They're 1043, 1395, 729, 1196, and so on and so on, and also many other different pictures as well. I just noticed. Yes, right there. You see that? Whoa, a lot of them. Yeah, I was not putting attention on the pictures. I was only scrolling back and up and down, but the pictures are beautiful. All right, click on the description, order whichever one you like, and don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it likes. Click on my other videos on the top corner right of this video. At the beginning, at the end of the video, there's a lot more videos. All right, if you like my videos, share them, give it likes if you like them. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell also for notifications. All right, thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.